Yo gamers, want a next level gaming PC under 50,000 rupees? Let's build it in 60 seconds. Start with the CPU, AMD Ryzen 55500 for 10,000 rupees. Pair it with an AMD Radeon RX 7600 for 28,000 rupees, smashing 1080 pays and hitting 1440 pays. Get a B450 motherboard for 5,000 rupees. Rock solid for upgrades. Snag 16 gigabytes DDR, 4 RAM for 4,000 rupees. Flawless for gaming and multitasking. Storage, a 1 terabyte NVMe SSD for 6,000 rupees. Massive space, blazing fast loads. Power it with a 550 watt power supply unit and a sleek case for 5,000 rupees combined. Total, approximately 49,000 rupees. This rig crushes Valorant, GTA 5, and more at 60 plus FPS. Full guide, link in bio. Like, follow, and let's game.